In this video I'll show you how you can clean up the tip of a highlighter that you used to make some 3D effects or rainbow effects. This is citric acid, concentrated citric acid. You can use lemon juice also. Usually this lemon juice or citric acid will remove the highlighter. Here I'm soaking the tip of the highlighter into the citric acid and the lemon juice, and it takes a bit of time, so you have to be a bit patient with it. Put more citric acid or lemon juice and keep doing it on the wet paper. Once you do that, once the citric acid is really soaked well into the tip of the highlighter, you can use dry paper to remove the... See, now it's a bit weak. The highlighter becomes a bit invisible. Not exactly invisible, but not very easy to see. Now you pull out the liquid with dry paper. So I really only place the tip of the highlighter on dry paper and let the paper soak the highlighter fluid out. When I do this, the lemon juice comes out and the clean highlighter fluid will come through, and it becomes just as strong as before, but without the extra colors. This could be also because you were using it on a surface that was a bit dirty from a pen or pencil or other highlighters. For whatever reason, this is how you clean it with citric acid, and you soak it in paper. Now it looks a little bit better. It's more visible than before, and it's not with the rainbow effect. There is no more 3D effect on it, so you can make it back if you want later. The green part looks like it's still there, but it's not really showing on the paper, so it doesn't really matter. Thanks for watching, and let me know what highlighter tricks you're doing and how you use them. And let me know if you want to see a specific video about highlighters. Watch the next one.